Hello friends, is your car struggling with poor fuel economy, sluggish acceleration, or a check engine light? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0433, then you're in the right place. Scene 2. Importance of addressing the issue. This error code is related to the warm-up catalytic converter on bank 2, which plays a crucial role in controlling emissions. Ignoring this issue can lead to failed emissions tests, bad fuel economy, and costly repairs. Scene 3. Video overview. In this video, I'll explain what P0433 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0433 error code stands for Main Catalyst Efficiency Below Threshold, Bank 2, Warm-Up Catalyst. Your car's warm-up catalytic converter is responsible for quickly reducing emissions when the engine is cold. The Engine Control Unit, or ECU, monitors its efficiency using oxygen sensors before and after it. If the ECU detects that the Bank 2 warm-up catalyst is not working properly, it triggers the P0433 code. Common symptoms of P0433. Check engine. Light on, poor fuel economy, loss of power and sluggish acceleration, rotten egg smell from the exhaust, and failed emissions test. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the key components to diagnose and fix the problem. The P0433 code affects the warm-up catalytic converter on bank 2, which is the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1. The warm-up catalytic converter is located in the exhaust system, close to the exhaust manifold. The upstream or pre-cat oxygen sensor is found before the warm-up catalytic converter on bank 2. The downstream or post-cat oxygen sensor is located after the warm-up catalytic converter on bank 2. The exhaust manifold on bank 2 is directly connected to the catalytic converter. Oxygen sensor wiring and connectors are located along the exhaust pipe leading to the ECU. Tip: the exact locations may vary depending on your car's make and model. Always check the service manual for accuracy. Failing warm-up catalytic converter. It may be clogged, overheated, or damaged, reducing efficiency. Faulty oxygen sensors. If an O2 sensor sends incorrect readings, the ECU may misinterpret catalytic performance. Exhaust leaks before the converter. A cracked exhaust manifold or leaking gasket can cause incorrect O2 sensor readings. Rich or lean fuel mixture, bad spark plugs, fuel injectors, or vacuum leaks can disrupt combustion, affecting the catalyst. Wiring or connector issues. Broken, corroded, or loose O2 sensor wires can trigger a false P0433 code. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0433 code and check for related fault codes. Step 2. Inspect the warm-up catalytic converter on bank 2 for damage, clogging, or overheating. Step 3. Check the upstream and downstream O2 sensors for contamination or failure. Step 4. Look for exhaust leaks around the exhaust manifold, gaskets, and pipes. Step 5. Use a multimeter or scan tool to check O2 sensor voltage readings. Replace if necessary. Step 6. If the catalytic converter is damaged or clogged, replacement may be required. Step 7. Clear the error code with an OBD-II scanner and take the vehicle for a test drive. The P0433 error code can cause poor engine performance, high fuel consumption, and emissions failure. If your car has this issue, inspect the warm-up catalytic converter, check O2 sensors, and look for exhaust leaks. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0148, fuel delivery error, and P0149, fuel timing error. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.